Good late morning, everybody, on Thursday, the 29th of January, in a puke-inducingly slow and boring market with absolutely no follow-through from yesterday's bullwinkle bounce. Dow down about 100 points right now. S&P futures off 14.5. NASDAQ futures off 15. Dow indicated on their futures to be about where we're supposed to be right now. News is over for today. Stimulus this. It's stimulated nothing. GDP coming tomorrow. As has been the case for most of the week, our main trading basket is just not moving. There's no volatility in either direction on most of it. So for today at least, I've gone through the Investors Business Daily top 100 and tried to pick out 5 for you that might make sense. And I want to emphasize that on all of these, although these companies are always fundamentally the best out there, they move slow. So none of these are day trades, but they could all be potentially good swing trades to hold into next week or even the week after. Start with IDCC, Interdigital Communications. Excellent balance of power buying for the last 2 weeks. It's pure accumulation on rising prices. Money stream is up through the rope, although a 5-day rate of change and angle of attack is showing a little bit of negative divergence. Time segmented volumes at the absolute ceiling, confirming what we're seeing in balance of power buying. On balance volume looks pretty good as well. Support on IDCC is about $29.55, a little bit over that 20-day simple moving average. Even more support down at the 26 area. First target on IDCC will take us up to the $35.77 area. Second, and I'd even call it the last target for the coming few weeks, up around $37.40. So $3 to $5 of upside in interdigital communications. Number 2, RAH, out of the food and beverage sector, Ralcorp. Nice, progressive, steady upward movement. Money stream completely through the rope. Time segmented volume quite high. On balance volume is good too. Most of the action appears to be retail for now, but we've got excellent support on the 200-day simple moving average around the $59 area. 20-day and 50-day adding more support in the high 57s. For Ralcorp, if I take the November 13th high down to the December 5th, I believe, December 8th lows in Ralcorp, we're getting through to the 61.15 area right now, which was the battle line of the leg I just mentioned. We clear that upwards to 64.54, first target on Ralcorp. Second and ultimate target, $68.81 for Ralcorp. Only a couple of points of downside and good headroom going up for probably a decent swing trade on RAH. INT, World Fuel Service Corp. Steady, progressive retail legging up here for the past couple of weeks, sitting on excellent support where the 20-day and the 50-day simple moving averages are converging. Right about that $33.50, $33.25 area. Money stream all the way through the rope, steady climb up. A little bit of negative divergence being signaled on a 5-day angle of attack. Time segmented volume above the zero latitude line and climbing. First target up on INT, $36.16. On up in here, a couple of bucks above where we are now. Actually, only about 75 cents what I'm saying. Second target, $39.40, and I'll give you a third target over the next couple of weeks On INT, up at the $42.63 area, which I think would be the last level it could reach for now on INT. So again, we're sitting right on support at today's open, and maybe 7 points max upside for World Fuel Service Corp. Open Text Corporation, OTEX, beautiful money stream on OTEX, going straight for the moon, and positive confirmation on angle of attack on open text as well. Time segmented volume, nice lift off and ascent, on balance volume as well, and trading volume, the highest since, well, the highest all year, no doubt, probably back into a good part of 2008. Also, that would have been about November, near the lows on open text. Excellent support, 20-day and 200-day simple moving average up in the $31.25 area. On open text, had a nice high this morning on a gap open, 35.78 now becomes that first target, 37.48 the second target on open text. We'll give a third target, what a mumble. Well, the third target up at $40.27 for OTEX. Probably the best looking of the charts I've showed you so far, except for the first one that had that beautiful balance of power. The final one today, and this will give you 5 swing trade ideas for the week. SXCI, very nice balance of power buying. Last 2 sessions as we take out that 20-day simple moving average. Money stream and angle of attack on SXCI. Very nice vertical ascent, time segmented volume. On balance volume, confirming the other indicators that we're seeing. Excellent trading volume yesterday. Maybe just this thing just had earnings. I haven't looked it up. I don't really care. It's a good chart. Excellent support right above today's low at the 20-day simple moving average, a little bit under $17.50. More support down at the $17 area with the 50-day simple moving average. Targets on the way up for SXCI, $19.28, target number 1. $20.39, target number 2. Final target, $22.21 for SXCI. All right, guys, there's 5 candidates to look at. Again, not a day trade, not a day trade, not a day trade. Swing trades on all of these. They're not the most volatile stocks in the world or the ones with the greatest volume, but they're all showing strong possibilities to pick up a few points here, a few points there if you're patient. I'm not looking up options on any of these because they're all low enough in price where they're not going to kill your margin, but if you have to have options, go in the money and at least 3 months out. Nothing to talk about in the indices since I started this hideous screed. I am KingCAMBO. Smoke them if you got them, and that's how I roll for Thursday, 29th of January, 2009.